Uy, what's the name?
MITAO cat, hi, I'm MITAO cat. I like eat pizza. Oh, no, 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 no. What?
What's this?
This is a gift for myself. I bought from Beijing.
This made from where?
Made in China.
Oh.
Donggun.
What's this thing called?
This is called 盲盒. 盲盒 is blind box.
Oh, my blind box. Surprise box lah.
It's called 盲盒.
But they called it blind box in Chinese lah. Okay. Open lah.
Yo, it's really bong here. Like, I don't know what's inside.
This one got English name also lah. It's called the
MITAO cat. MITAO Mao.
X Toys FX. Okay lah.
See, so cute this fella.
This
Inside I
famous-
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't get 6. I only get either one
Either
of
one.
this. This is a special edition, but I don't know what is that.
You might get lah. Might not
I
get also lah.
might get, yes.
Aiyo, so
It's a
slow.
I'm very excited.
This cat is very famous in what? Douyin ah.
Douyin. It's a Douyin.
Douyin is like TikTok in China lah.
See, there's one cat and one pillow. One cat, one pillow.
What?
No pillow here. Okay, don't know which one I get. Let's guess which one I get. Don't touch lah!
It's a ball. I can
It's
touch
a ball
it.
ah?
I can touch it's a ball.
I guess it's this one lah. Because I like this one.
Okay, let's
So
see.
you say it's this one, right? See who
'cause
win.
when I touch, there's a
If
ball.
I win,
If
you buy me
win lah.
dinner.
Okay lah.
If you win, you don't eat dinner.
Huh?
No lah. If I win, you buy me dinner. If you win, I buy you dinner.
Aiyo, fun.
Okay.
Good lah. Okay.
I don't know what is inside. What color is that? It's a white one.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a pizza. Which one, this one?
Both also wrong. Eh?
Yeah. What is this?
It's this one lah, pizza. This is the stand lah. This is stand.
Oh my god, I'm planning to buy all already like that.
Aiyo.
Oh, so cute!
See? You. Take a look closer.
My god!
Why is it so famous in Douyin ah?
The guy's very cute, this fella. He got
Then they-
boyfriend lah, this is the boyfriend.
Then they put it into the emoji, is it?
No, make it like a video like that, then they are very loving and
Oh, it's a cartoon lah.
yeah, it's a cartoon. I like this one, I don't get 大笨蛋.
Then you
I
get
only
one.
get 吃 pizza because
它的名字在吃 pizza。
no, this one is 吃 pizza, this is 小可爱, this is 大笨蛋.
它讲什么？
吃 pizza 哦.
吃 pizza。
So cute! 这是我的，走开你，看，我要买6个，然后 collect all.
But when you buy 6个 doesn't mean you get all 6.
I buy the set one lor.
Then when you put,
I build a house for them.
aiyo.
안녕, 안녕. 我吃 pizza, 你要吃 pizza 吗？
Okay lah, enough already.
Oh, so cute.
So childish.
Ooh.